This is our project for today. Let's jump into Photoshop and get started. Check the description and download these resources. You can safely download them. First, import the red texture. Right-click and choose Rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, let's position it here. Click on the Layer panel. Press and hold the Ctrl or the Command key on Mac and type J to make a duplicate. Then right-click and then choose Flip Horizontal. Hold down the Shift key and drag it to the right. Make sure it aligns properly. Then position them well. After this, open your downloaded folder, import your white texture, and also place it right here. Import the round ornament and also position and resize it just like this. Make sure the layer is selected. Now change the opacity from 100 to 20%. So at this stage, I believe you have already worked on your photo. It's time to import that photo. Once it is imported, then resize and also position it this way. Take the rectangle tool. Let's put it here. Then let's come to the Properties tab and then curve the edges. Once that is done, take the text tool and also let's add our text. So we are typing call to. Then change the text type to Font Spring Demo. I am changing the color to white so that we can see what is happening, but the color doesn't matter right now. Change the font type to 30. Take the type tool again and let's add glory. Change the font type to Bargo Regular. And then the size to 90. Just position it like this. check the downloaded folder again. You will see the gold texture. Import it into the project. We are first working on the glory, so make sure the gold texture is on top of the glory in the layer panel, like you were saying. Resize it. Right click on the texture and choose clipping mask. Make sure that the gold texture is selected. Move to the image tab and then choose adjustment, then brightness, and here let's increase the brightness level to 90. Select the gold texture layer and press Ctrl J or Command J to make a duplicate. Bring the duplicated texture on top of the called to. Then right click and choose Create Clipping Mask. And you can resize it. Okay. Now select this rectangle. Come to the Properties tab and turn off the stroke. After that, open your folder and then bring in the gold texture again. Make sure it covers the shape. It will be on top of the rectangle in the layer panel. Right click on the gold texture and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select the texture, come to the Image tab, Adjustment, Brightness, and then increase the brightness to 10. Okay, now we have come to another vital step. Take the rectangle tool. Then put the rectangle here, where you want to put your text. With the rectangle being selected, select the text tool. We are going to type in the shape so that the text will take the shape of the rectangle. So go ahead and type whatever you want to type there. For the font, you can use Arial. Follow this closely. Click the layer panel. Select the shape and then move to the properties. Turn the stroke off. And also the fill, turn it off. Now you see what we have done here. It's looking good. Let's further align the text. Open your downloaded folder again and choose this ornament. Put it under the glory, like this. Okay, so this is where we are now. Take the text tool and add or type the name of the person. Double click, then select only the top part, and let's make these changes. Change the size to 40. And change the type to Magic Retro. After that, select the other text and also let's change the size to 55 and bring it down a bit, and let's change the type to Font Spring Demo. We are using Pretty Wise. Position your text like this. Okay, so once the name is done, select the texture, then press Ctrl J or Command J to make a copy. Move this duplicated layer on top, resize it just like this. After that, right click on the texture and choose Create Clipping Mask. So we are going to have this effect. The best thing you can do right now is to subscribe. If you haven't done so, then like and comment. You can also place your order for your work to be done. There is a discount for you, whether flyers, posters. Select the texture we use for the first shape, then press Ctrl J or Command J to make a copy. Move this duplicated layer on top of the shape. Resize it just like this. After that, right click on the texture and choose Create Clipping Mask. Take the text tool and let's write or let's type change the font to Magic Retro. Open the color panel, but take a sample color from the background. Any sample that you choose will be okay. Open your folder and import the brown ribbon. Then take the magic eraser tool, select OK, and then remove the background by just clicking. Now position it. Let's resize the text to 36 and then this one to -25. After that, take the text tool and add the age. So type aged 97. Open the color panel and choose a sample color from the ribbon. For the font type, let's choose Arial. For our text to be visible more, let's resize the ribbon. Then select the upper text, reduce the size, and select the text below and also increase the age so that it can be visible. Change the color of the text, but make sure to choose a sample color from the ribbon we are using. Let's put a few text below. Press and hold the Alt key, then drag that text and bring it here. Double click to highlight the whole text and then type your own information here. After that, resize and position it. It is now time to add the detailed information of our poster. The first step we are doing here is to take the rectangle tool. And add the shape to cover about 1/3 of the area we want to type. Press and hold the Alt key, then drag to copy the shape 2 more times, which means our text will be in 3 pages. You can now delete the 2 and leave the first one. This is important. Select the shape before you use the type tool. In that case, it will put the text inside the shape. Select the shape and come to Properties. Turn the stroke off and also turn the fill off. Double click to highlight the whole text. Open the color panel and let's take a sample color from the background. Any color you choose is okay. Once it is okay for you, press and hold the Alt key together with the Shift key and then drag to copy the text. Double click to highlight the whole text, then make any changes or type anything that you want to type there. Now for the third page, first take the rectangle tool and put the shape right here. Open the color panel and then take a sample color from the background. Turn the stroke off. Take the text tool and let's type. Funeral arrangements are as follows. Then position it right here. Open the color panel and choose a sample color from the white background. Let's change the size to 10. And also this one to 10. For the color of the title, choose a sample color from the gold texture. Then make a duplicate of the second page and put it here. Double click the text and add your own text. Then resize the shape. After this, take the rectangle tool and add a shape at the bottom. Open the color panel, choose a sample color from the background. Then take the text tool and type "All friends and sympathizers are cordially invited." Change the color by choosing a sample color from the gold texture. Since I will be printing, I want to brighten my image a bit. So I go to Image Adjustment, Brightness, and then increase it small. After that, select the rectangle in the middle and then come to the blending options and let's add drop shadows. the opacity 35, blending mode multiply, then the color I chose it from the background, distance 16, spread 1, size 29, then click OK. The best thing you can do right now is to subscribe if you haven't done so, then like and comment. You can also place your order for your work to be done. There is a discount for you, whether flyers, posters. Hoping to see you again in the next video.